With an inhale, gently lower your knees down to the ground and move them a little closer to the front of the mat. Stand up on your knees and bring your hands to your hips. Let your knees be about hip distance apart. Your heels will go a little bit wider than the knees. Roll the shoulders back and lift the chest. Start to press the hips gently forward. Keep your chin tucking towards your chest so you're looking forward, keeping your cervical spine long. Breathe. If you can, reach your fingers back toward your heels, slowly coming into a camel pose. If it feels good, lean your head all the way back. Keep lifting your chest and work to arch your spine. Push out of the feet. Press your hips forward a little bit more. Take another deep breath. And with your next inhale, guide with your chest, come all the way back up. As you exhale, gently sink your hips back toward your heels.